Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about some more important questions on the basis of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Okay? Right. In that, the first question, tertiary butyl bromide reaction with sodium ethoxide. Then what is the answer? It will be found. Option A, option B, option D, C. So here tertiary butyl bromide reaction with the sodium ethoxide, then formation of this reaction actually comes under Williamson ether synthesis reaction. Williamson ether synthesis reaction. Williamson ether synthesis reaction follows SN1 mechanism. Follows the SN1 mechanism. Okay, right. In this reaction, involvement of two preparation of the ethers, primary and secondary alkyl halides only. But here tertiary alkyl halides are involved, so that's why elimination reactions takes place. So here from here NaBr, from this CH2 hydrogen is joining to oxygen, then the bond shift here, then formation of 2-methylpropene it will be formed. What is it now? 2-methylpropene it will be formed. Okay, right. Next question. Question number 2. CH2O, CH2CH3 plus HI. Okay. This compound is reaction with HI, then what is the answer? It will be found. Option A, benzyl iodide. Option B, benzyl alcohol. Option C, phenol. Option D, ethanol. It will be formed. Now see, ethers, unsymmetrical ethers reaction with the HI, and generally primary ethers are participate in a SN2 mechanism. Okay, but here benzyl group is most priority towards SN1 mechanism. Why? Because in this reaction benzyl carbocation more resonance stabilized. Okay, so that's why here you will get, so the answer is A, benzyl iodide it will be formed according to SN1 mechanism. Okay, right. Next, question number 3, that is also we will discuss on the basis of reaction with HI. This reaction takes place in the presence of DMF, dimethyl formamide. Okay. Right. You see here, this is the unsymmetrical ether. Here secondary carbon is there, Here primary carbon is there. Here going to formation of the answer is see, this reaction is reaction with HI, then formation of what is the product it will be formed. Now see, in this reaction, in the presence of DMF, a protein solvent, primary alkyl halides are formed. Primary alkyl halides are formed. So why? Because in the presence of DMF, SN2 mechanism is favored. So then your answer is ethyl iodide, it will be formed. Ethyl iodide, it will be formed. Okay, right. But here one doubt is there, sir, then alcohol also is formed now. So option B also it will be formed. So here mentioned DMF SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction is substitution reaction, furtherly participate alkyl halide only. So that's why I am given option D. Next, question number 4. Phenol plus X, it will be formed. Okay. Right now see, in this reaction, what is the X? What is X? Option A, ethanol. Option B, acetone. Option C, acetaldehyde. Option D, acetic acid. Okay, right. So by seeing this reaction, we can confirm that this is a cumene, preparation of phenol from cumene. Phenol is formed. They are asking what is the X mean, what is the byproduct. So by seeing this reaction, first cumene reaction with oxygen, cumene hydroperoxide will be formed, which is furtherly reaction with the acidic medium, then formation of phenol plus acetone, CH3, CO, CH3, acetone it will be formed. Phenol plus what is that? Acetone it will be formed. Okay, so then your answer is B, acetone it will be formed. Next to question number 5. Question number 5. X and alcohol reaction with at copper 573 Kelvin temperature, then formation of CH3 plus H2O it will be formed. So alkene it will be formed. So what is the alcohol X? Okay. Now see, generally tertiary alcohols are reaction with the copper at 573 Kelvin temperature, then formation of alkenes participate in the dehydration reaction. So in the given four options, A and B option are tertiary alcohols are given, but here the answer is 2-methyl-butene it will be formed. So 2-methyl-butene possible from B option only. From here hydrogen, from your OH group, then bond shift here, 2-methyl-butene it will be formed. So then your option B.